The 50 trucks that are coming into the system by the end of the financial year will give us further room to work. But again, I'm going to say it, and if I sound like a recurring decimal, I will always be saying it. If we provide a garbage truck for every community in Jamaica, that will not change if the mindset of the people is not prepared to accept the changes that is required. We can't talk about how dirty the country is when we ourselves are contributing to that. When people continue to create mini dumps, driving in their vehicles, not just public transport, but some of the most fanciest and expensive vehicles that you see driving on the road, wind down the window, out goes the drinks bottle and the cup and the patty bag. The country needs to be more matured when it comes on to how we dispose of garbage.